1. Waking up before the world, before the noise, before the scroll. That's when I meet myself, and I always show up. 2. Making my bed. Not for neatness, for momentum. Win the first battle of the day. 3. Cold showers. Discipline in 60 seconds. If I can conquer comfort, I can conquer anything. 4th. Daily walks without my phone. No distractions, just clarity. That's where most of my ideas are born. 5. 1 hour of deep work. No tabs, no phone. Focused, brutal, productive. 6. Lifting heavy, physically and mentally. Iron sharpens everything. 7. Drinking water like it's my superpower, because it is. 8th. Reading 10 pages daily. It rewired my thinking. My brain stopped craving chaos, started craving growth. 9. Journaling. Some days it's messy, some days it's deep, but every day it's honest. 10. One daily promise kept, even if it's small. That's how you rebuild self-trust. 11th. No screen time first hour. Protect your mind before the world floods it. 12th. Tracking my time. Not to be perfect, to be aware. Because most people don't even know where their time bleeds. 13. Saying no, a lot. Not to be rude, to stay dangerous. 14. Silence every night. No music, no content, just me, and the weight I carry. That's where healing happens. 15. Daily movement, even when I'm tired. Motion destroys stagnation. 16. Eating clean, not for abs, for energy, for focus, for war. 17. Keeping a clean space. Outer chaos equals inner chaos. I clean like my life depends on it, because sometimes it does. 18. Writing down 3 wins each night, even if the win was, I didn't quit today. 19. Talking to myself with respect, because if I don't have my own back, who will? 20. Reminding myself daily, no one's coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits, they didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition. Stacking tiny wins, building identity, evolving in silence, because the loudest transformations happen quietly.